Here is PhotoSplit for Instagram app. So let's just install it. So it has 26,000 ratings. And yeah, it's an interesting app to create, the split photos for your Instagram profile, and where you can look really outstanding on your Instagram. So you can create big photos, you can move or zoom that, and then just post it. So that's kind of a bit old school app, but that's basically how it works. But yeah, they also have like a tutorial as well. So what you need to do, you just need to give access to your photo. So for example, I have this lamp photo. So I want to post this lamp on Instagram, let's say it. So I can move or zoom it, I can rotate it here if I want. Of course, you can do it with your selfie. I can select how many pieces I want to post it. So if I want to post just 6 pieces, just like that, or I can also post like 12 pieces. So something like that, and then you just select split, and then what you need to do is just tap save, and then what you need to do is just you can save that, and then every photo you can post on Instagram. So basically you don't even need like to save, so you just tap 1, post on Instagram, 2, post on Instagram, 3, and then in the end you will have this big picture. So that's basically an overview. That's how it works. Of course, you can also save to your camera roll and then save to post to Instagram from there, but it can be a bit more confusing. Overall, hope is it helpful. Thank you for watching, and check out my YouTube channel.